Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a commit in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you cannot really delete a commit, but you can revert. That means you can go to an older version of your Git and then you can start from there. So basically, there are ways to do it, and you can either do it from your GitHub desktop or you can simply revert git commit with using the revert uh, using the git revert command. And basically, we can simply go to any repository and you can open it either in your local. For example, I have this one, and let's go to my source control. As you can see, I have no commits here, and we want to delete some commits. And let's go again to my GitHub uh, desktop, and basically here are all my comments. And basically I have this update main and I have this also this update main, and basically we want, for example, to revert changes in comments. That means we will be going and revert all the changes and go to this older version, and basically we will be needing just to click on revert changes, and from here we have some conflicts, and of course you will be needing just to choose any one that you want. And basically, for example, I don't want this change to stay, and basically I only want to have only these changes, and those are just some git conflicts. And basically, I will just click commit to main, and I'm just going to click commit to file. And basically now we can go to this history. Now we have reverted to this commit. That means we went to an older version. As I said, it's only creating a new commits that's going to an older version. And then we can push this commit, and basically we can push it to my remote and it will apply to the remote repository. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.